Hey Beardy buddies, and welcome back. Today we start the progress of putting some pine tongue and groove boards on the ceiling. This side in, but then I can't get the other side in. And then you get that side in, and this side falls out. And then
Okay, so where do you want me to stand?
I don't know. It's gonna be a nightmare, even two of us. It's because those boards transition and the heights aren't the same, and
Boards transition.
because there's two different boards.
Oh, it's just because of where it's hitting
yes,
the light.
it's two different boards. The boards aren't lining up like this. One's like this.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay. Alright, so what do you want me to
So
do?
you'd be on this ladder with this.
Okay.
I gotta somehow try to get this transition to work out, and I don't know how. Still tight over here. That's the question. It's as tight as it can be. My arms are shaky.
I know, I think you should take a break after you. Let's just get this one
I
on.
gotta get too much. I have too much to get done. This is what you don't understand. Stresses me out.
Well, hopefully it'll go more smooth after that.
Oh man, you might have gotten it. You might have gotten it. Oh yeah.
or too thick?
Sweet.
Do we need to just sand it, do you think? Or do you think we need
No,
to
I'll
actually
just
cut
cut it
it?
at an angle.
Okay.
Yeah. With
Just cut metal off of my table saw. That's what that sound was.
What?
No, you're not even close to the end.
I know it wasn't, and then when you put yours in, oh, it's not in anymore. Just nail yours and then so.
I feel like you need to go up a step because you don't have enough strength.
Okay, but then I'm way back here.
Okay, break time. And Mom always happens to be recording at those times we're struggling.
Got a ladder suspended on the stairs here. Seems perfectly safe. Do you have a bunch of them to put up?
Yep.
Okay. Is that one missing a tongue too? It is. Oh, that's why I had that laying over there. Oh well, it's fine. It is what it is.
You sure want me to nail it on?
Well, you already cut the circle part in there. Forgot about that.
There's still kind of a gap in there.
It's not as bad though.